By pressing the bell icon, you'll receive all my new videos, and a press on the thumbs up would be much appreciated. What are we doing today, Jed? Staying in the tents, having a tent day?
Sleeping.
It's early. It's still early doors. Comfortable.
Warm.
Yeah. So I was comfortable in my bag as well. I'm in Wales. It's Saturday, the 28th of February. It's 8 AM. I'm on a campsite at Bunkhouse. Have you seen my other Wales trips? It's the same bunkhouse as last year with Austin and Lucy. We're not in the bunkhouse this time. We arrived late last night. It was pitch black. It was at 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. We arrived and we tried to get a bunkhouse bed, but he said they're fully booked. We're not sure if they are fully booked, but we never got one anyway. So we went to another bunkhouse, and that was to say they asked, are you fully booked? Oh, sorry, did you book? And we said no, and he says no, there's nothing available. So that was it. So we're just camped here, just using the campsite. It's just me and Jed. I think the heavy rain's on its way, to be honest. So we're taking it a bit easy, and we're not going up high today. I'm here till Tuesday, so hopefully Monday it'll be half decent, and we'll get a high hike done. Just play it by ear. So I think I'm not sure we'll be camping here most of the trip. Certainly I think probably tonight we'll be back here. So anyway, we'll see what happens, and as always I'll film it, put it up on YouTube. Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. Right folks, oh, fly. Or is it a dragonfly? What was I saying? We're at Aber Falls, A-B-E-R. He's a dancing queen. Aber Falls. Oh. There you go. That's the first one of the day. The Aber reference. Right. Just for people coming here, it's £3 to park. £3 to park.
It's nice here, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I know what that is.
Right.
Have you seen where they do it? They make the charcoal and sometimes they get the oil. They burn them.
Oh,
And it
right.
just burns, but it doesn't burn it completely.
Right.
It just turns it to like an ash type of thing.
Is that the burner then for
Yeah,
the...
that's the burner, yeah. I always thought that was the first space launch from Wales.
Aye. And what have we got? Ah, good stuff. You'll definitely be back here, Jed. Take Sharon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
nice,
quite, yeah.
A nice trip for Sharon. This. She'd like this. Oh, I like it here.
Yeah. That's surprising you've never been here, isn't it? You always...
Yeah.
I'm the same. There's a lot of places near me that I've never been to. I keep saying I'll go there, but you never
Obviously,
do.
I knew it was here. I've
Aye.
driven past it, Aber Falls, hundreds of times, but I've never been on.
It's windy up there. We're sheltered from the wind, but we're heading into the rain.
Now, there's something you don't see every day. We had a feeling to be in good flow with all the rain we had last night. And as you can see, it's on and off at the minute.
Great stuff, eh? That's it. Pretty impressive, eh?
Yeah, that was worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely. It's clearing up as well. Oh, it was a high one.
My little leg.
That was a high step. We're coming up to another reveal here. Excellent. Well, Austin and Lucy and Luke, the weather, to be honest, the weather's not that bad. I don't know if I mentioned it in my first vlog. Austin and Lucy and Luke, you know, the weather put them off. It's no, I was just saying that, the rain's on. It's not too bad. I think up high it is. It was very, I never took any footage inside the tent last night. It was like 50 miles an hour winds. The tent was getting a good battering. And up high it's going to be 40, 50 miles an hour. It's not too bad here. There's the rain, as I say. The rain's just on when I say that. Should I keep my mouth shut. Anyway, we're going to enjoy the views and the waterfall. These are the other falls. I'm not sure what they're called. I probably couldn't pronounce it anyway if I could remember. There's Jed trying to lose his GoPro. Yeah. Pretty good, eh? If I hadn't seen the first one, I'd be more impressed, but the two of them are good. But the Aber Falls is the winner, I think. And that one goes right up. It's hidden there with the ridge, but another angle. It goes right, continues right the way up the falls. Right folks, second walk for the day. We went to Betsy Coed and get some lunch, so we're going another walk. It will become clearer later on. It's a world famous, I suppose it is world famous place without people realising it, or most people realising it. I'll give you a hint, it's in a movie. It's in a popular movie of the 60s British movie, comedy movie.
Jumpy! That is nice.
It's been a carry on, hasn't it, Jed?
It's a right carry on.
It's a right carry on.
A right carry on up the Khyber.
I gave it away. Carry on up the Khyber. Devils and skirts. Devils and skirts.
No, you not pass. Devils and skirts.
What was it? Private Widow. Private Widow. Yeah. Great stuff.
What a carry on.
What a carry
Camping
on.
in the rain again.
Yeah. Hello. 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 Always good to get out. The weather's not been that bad, to be honest, compared with the forecast. It's not as bad. The rain's on, it's rain on off, that's really what it's been like. Rain on off, and we even had a bit of sunshine several times as well. So it's just an average day really. You know, it's not anything biblical about the rain so far. Well, coming up to some more waterfalls.
Just as well you haven't got your kilt on.
What were you saying, Jed?
It's the remains of an old, I'm not 100% sure whether it was a pulley system or a distant railway line, but you can see the embankment here at the bottom where they've built it up, and they've cut out at the top there, and this is where the coaches used to bring the slate down.
There it is, folks, in the movie, the Carry On Up the Khyber. Private widow was guarding it. There you go. Great stuff.
Stop, Google that! Everything's good! Everything's good!
Yeah. Jed was just telling me this is the long way to the Snowdon. You ought to do the Snowdon. This is the long way to get to the summit. A lot of waterfalls in this video. That's Snowdon behind me, hidden in mist, up there. We're not doing that today, it's 5 o'clock. Pitch black by the time we got up there. back down the way. 5 o'clock, another couple of hours of light, 2.5 hours. Need to get back to the campsite. Cup of tea and a Tunnocks. Almost 9:15. I think I've been in the tent since about an hour. The rain's on, and I think that is the rain on now. It's been on off today. Plus we actually got 3 or 4 bits of sunshine as well, which wasn't the forecast. Forecast was, well, what I took the forecast to mean was just constant rain, but that hasn't happened. But I think that's it on now. Strong wind is away. You know, you can hear and you see even the tent's not moving very much. Unlike last night. Last night was that was where we got the strong wind last night. I couldn't be bothered getting my camera out to, you know, show you, but it was pretty strong. I think it's forecast for 50 miles an hour at all levels, and I think it probably was about 50 odds gusts stronger than that. So this is the second night. This is Saturday night. I've got another 2 nights to go, Sunday, Monday. It was a good day today. Enjoyed the waterfalls and going up to, well, we never went up to Snowdon, but that's the route. That is a route up to Snowdon that we went to see the place where they filmed Khyber Pass. Oh, sorry, carry on up to Khyber. So it's been a good day. Tomorrow I think the plan is to go to the Dullen Bothy, which is the bothy I was at last time I was here with Austin and Lucy. I think we're going to bothy it tomorrow night and then wild camp the next night, the last night. But it's weather dependent. But I think we're going to head away for the campsite tomorrow, and we'll take it from there. Right, I'm just doing this wee vlog, to be honest, to use my new camera. Got a new camera. It's an update to the one I already had. I had a 6300 and I got a 6400, so it's not a giant leap forward, but there's a lot of little improvements. For a start, I can see myself now. Before it's got a flip up screen, so I can actually see that I'm on the, you know, I'm in the frame, okay, and the lighting's, well, it's not too bad. I mean, it's pitch black, but the lighting's not too bad. Right, I'll leave it there, and I'll have another cup of tea, and then I'll just settle for the night. Right, okay folks, I'll catch you later.